right, we're here at Alliance RV and we are in front of a Paradigm, and this one is the Paradigm 380 MP. So let's go take a look at it.
Hey everybody, Scott and Amy from the Road Rovers. We are here at the 2024 Florida RV Super Show, and
It's put on by the Florida Recreational Vehicle Trade Association.
Yes, we are so excited to be here. There are so many things to do, rigs of every single configuration you could dream of.
Size,
you can have it.
Shape, type, whatever.
If you haven't been here, I would definitely put it in your calendar for next year,
yes.
For 2025. You can buy RVs right here on the spot. You can also buy everything you need to go inside your RV, in the halls.
Outside your RV.
Right. We're standing in front of Alliance because we own an Alliance ourselves. So Alliance.
And we have a heart. Our heart is Alliance.
Yes. It's a great culture.
We will show you some other rigs.
We'll show you some other rigs that are new and fresh. And please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. And also, if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified when we put new videos, especially when we're putting new videos out from the show. And I'll have a playlist from the Florida RV Super Show playlist. All right.
So, let's go.
All right.
So we're going to start out here. A huge amount of space, but I love how it's open right now so you can see kind of the inner workings.
Yeah. It looks like it kind of has like a manifold system, so when someone's in the shower and you turn the sink on, they're not going to get blasted with either hot or cold. So it looks like a manifold system type, kind of like in your house. So I think that's how that's going to work. So that would actually be really sweet.
Yes, it would. I do like that they moved the awning controls out here, 1 and 2, and then slide out 4 here. And on the other side of this, they have the other 3 slide outs that control the other side.
Yes, they do.
Which is really cool because it's better to put your slide outs out while you're watching what's going
the
on.
outside.
Yeah. So I really do like that feature that it's there. And then you have this extra storage space here as well, which is really cool.
Yeah.
So you end up with a lot of storage.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. And of course, your propane's here. And then you have storage here. This is going to be for your generator. And this is your batteries.
Yep.
So there's quite a bit of room in there.
You got a Renogy charge controller.
Yeah, a rover. I don't know.
There's no
12.6. Must be solar up there. It's 12.7.
There's no inverters in here. I don't think.
No, I didn't see an inverter.
And then you got your normal.
So then here's your slide outs, your 1, 2, 3 slide outs for this side. Instead of your poles, this is automatic. You just hit the buttons.
Oh, you're kidding?
No, for the valves. So you don't have the
Yeah,
poles.
no
That's what this is.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Wonder how that works.
Well,
if those get hit wrong.
It'd be a new learning curve.
Ooh, yeah, you don't want to hit the wrong.
New learning curve.
Have it in the wrong place and open up your valve by accident.
But yeah. Okay.
Let's take a look at this outside real quick while we're out here.
So again, this side has 3 slide outs.
Yep.
So there's a total of 4. And this unit is 40 feet, just over 40 feet.
Yeah. Nice wheels on it. I can see that. Yeah, they look real nice.
I'm sure it's a CRE 3000.
It's kind of tucked in here, so I have a little hard time getting everything on it. LED lights in the back, up and down.
And like all Alliances, it is set up for slide toppers.
Yes, it is.
So they got your electrical in the middle here.
Let's go there. Okay. Yep. There's your sewer. Release.
So you got 6 hydraulic jacks. And again, 4 steps wide on top. And the safety rail that you know we love.
Yep.
Come on in. So it's very similar to our unit, except it's a step above. It's the big brother.
Yes.
So I do love this extra long island. You know me, I love an island.
Huge.
I love an island.
Huge.
Love an island. I love the lighting that's on here. There's drawers. There's plenty of storage. Nice 3 nice big drawers.
Wow,
Yep. And then I love this oven. It's a residential size oven. Look at that.
Yeah, that's great.
Definitely cook a turkey in that.
Apartment size.
No, it's residential size. That's like a normal size, pretty much.
Close.
Okay. It's a little smaller than what we have, but we don't really need all the space we have on ours.
No.
Same cabinet we have above. They're all soft close.
I love these. I love these.
Oh, yes.
Really, really nice.
Yep.
Soft
Soft close, yep.
Yep.
So you're kind of like a mini coffee bar or whatever you want to use it for.
Mm-hmm.
So these are adjustable.
Do the lights.
Yes, I love that.
That's awesome.
And then the rest of your pantry, again, motion sensed.
The lights too.
Yep.
Again. Wow.
Yeah, and they're just adjustable.
I like that. A lot of
So
nice
you got a
lighting.
nice drawer here, another one here,
Yeah.
and then your
Fuse box
right.
or breaker panel.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all the lighting across the
I
ceiling.
know, I love that. That's new.
Nice lights hanging down here.
So this is typical with Alliance, and we do have hidden storage
Yep.
underneath there. Some nice storage. Put things. Ooh, that fireplace feels good.
Yeah, it does.
I also do like this because, I mean, if you have stuff at Christmas time, it's nice.
Right.
Yep.
I'm going.
You get your flip-up storage on both sides. This one's going to make into a bed. A lot of storage up there. I do like the wooden balances.
Show them how the
this,
shades work.
yeah, so the MCD. So this is your daylight, your daytime shade, so that it helps block the sun from coming in. It'll keep it cooler in the summer.
Yeah.
And then here's your nighttime or block out.
That's great.
Yeah. So MCD is a
Very
good,
nice.
good product here. All right, so I really like this area. I like the woodwork. Here's your recliners, but I like the woodwork. that's here.
Electric recliners.
Yep. So this is why they call it an MP. This is a multi-purpose room.
Nice.
But what I like about this is it opens up. So you have it's only a twin above in the loft, and it opens right up. So you have a nice tall ceiling, so it doesn't feel like you're closed in. Nice big windows. This is actually electric. So it comes on down to here.
Yes.
Then you have the ladder. This will make into a bed as well.
And the electric is keyed, so
Yes.
kids can't play with it.
Right. Exactly. You got a built-in desk, and you have some storage in here as well.
Yeah. Three drawers.
Yep. That's nice.
Very nice little mini closet.
Mm-hmm.
And a TV in here.
Right. So
Yeah.
that's why they call it a multi-purpose room.
Yeah.
Use it for an office. I know
can pull
people
this.
pull this out.
Pull that out of there.
And they
put a
use
desk.
it for other things, whether it's a workout room or whatever. So yeah.
Look at if you put an office in here with your desk here, look at the window. You get to look out and
Right.
both sides and gonna have a nice space to look out while you're working.
Exactly.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Continue on. Okay. So
Check out all this storage here on the side. You have a place for, right? Your coats and stuff.
oh yeah, you can put command hooks up for hanging up coats and whatever, and
As you come in,
mm-hmm.
the panel
So-
right here.
Yep. So if you wanted to operate things from inside, your awnings, your slides,
Everything's-
all operated.
Yep.
Here's your tank heaters there.
Yep.
So I like that this is just a twin size bed on here. And then you have the other one a twin, and there's the ladder that it's attached, but it comes out like this. They climb up. When you're on the road, it does that.
Yep.
So here is your main bedroom. It is one of the walk-arounds. I do love the colors. So of course you have this here, and I love this. There's 6 drawers. Seem nice. You have shoe storage. You have storage there. You have storage under the bed. This is a king size bed. It's an option. Queen is what the standard is. Those are the other 2 chairs that go with the dining room table.
Okay.
Yeah, and then your closet. I like the light color that's in
Nice
this
light
closet.
color, and they actually put a bar in there, so you can slide your clothes on there.
Over here is your washer dryer prep, so you can remove this right here and put a washer dryer in here.
Yep. That's what that is.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And then you have your bathroom.
You can enter the bathroom from this
Either
direction
way.
too. So dual entry. And you got your toilet, drawers, and just a cabinet down there, a couple cabinets up here. Let's give it the
Scotty test.
This is
Alright.
actually nice. It's solid too, which I really like. And I can stand
It's
up
really good,
really well
actually.
in this. Yep. And you
I
have this
think
little
I
seat
would
that pulls down.
probably, yes, I would probably remove the shower doors like we did in the rig we had now.
Yeah.
I'm just not the biggest fan of shower doors. I know a lot of people like them. I just don't happen to. So
Yep. But no, this is actually really
it's a nice rig. Again, it's
nice and
the
high.
Alliance
Excellent.
Paradigm 380 MP.
Yeah. All right. Check
And
it
what's
out.
What's your you like it a lot, huh?
I do like it. I think having the separate room for the office would be a big plus
Yeah.
for us. Get our office out of the.
That's what we're
main
considering at this
living.
point. We're trying to figure out how to maybe get our office space into its own separate space so we can close the door and it's not in our
Yeah.
living space. So
Yeah, definitely.
anyhow.
Yeah. No, I like it. I like the features, the upgrade features of the Paradigm. It just seems like everything's built a little nicer. You know,
Yeah,
some of
because it's
the
heavier.
the drawers
Heavier,
and stuff like
a
that
little
have a
more
little
expensive.
better feel to them underneath stuff. So
Just in general.
just in general, all over the lighting, a lot of lighting.
Oh, I love I mean, you've changed this from what it used to be like, so
Yeah.
a little bit. Yeah, really nice.
Here.
I think that'll do it. What did you think?
No, I like it. I like it. I told you, I'm in love with this island. And I'm in love with that stove. I don't even use the stove we have now, even though it's bigger than the stove I had in my previous RV. This one, that's a beast. I love it. Love it.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll see you on the road.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.